Alright, this is first tracks. And I mean it, first tracks on Where's Bob. This is gonna be epic. Just hoping the camera doesn't get too snowy. But this is gonna be fucking epic. There's one other person's been down here. Oh yeah, fucking powder. Oh, this is actually epic. Oh. Dude, I'm just bouncing it. Oh, on the tree. Oh. 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 Oh my god. Oh. Alright, that's sort of the flat bit as you come in. And now we get into the double black bit where it gets steep. Oh. Dude, no, you don't understand. This is actually incredible. Oh, holy shit. Dude, it's just powder. No one's been here. I'm buried. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh. There's snow literally everywhere. It's in my goggles. I don't fucking care anymore. Oh my god. Dude, no one skied on this part. Oh, this is... First tracks. Oh my god. This is unlike anything I've ever experienced. Oh. Holy crap. Oh my. Holy shit. Alright, that was Where's Bob? That was insane.